Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of extreme off-road vehicles that push the boundaries of adventure and performance. From the powerful KTM 1290 Super Adventure R to the futuristic Venom LS, these machines are built for those who crave excitement on any terrain. We'll also explore the sleek Atrina, the rugged GenRight, the versatile Ripsaw EV2, the innovative Alumicraft Sportsman 2, and the unique WAZUMA Snow. Each of these vehicles offers its own thrilling capabilities, ensuring you'll find something that ignites your passion for off-road exploration. The WAZUMA Snow is one of the craziest off-road vehicles you'll ever see. Designed for extreme conditions, this beast combines the power of a quad bike with snowmobile capabilities. It's powered by a 4.7-liter Ferrari V8 engine, delivering an insane 570 horsepower, ensuring it can tackle any snowy terrain with ease. The WAZUMA Snow features 4 large, wide tires with studded tracks for maximum grip on ice and snow. Its low-profile design and high-performance suspension allow for incredible stability and maneuverability in the toughest conditions, making it a true off-road powerhouse like no other. The Venom LS is one of the craziest off-road vehicles on the market, designed for those who crave extreme adventure. Powered by a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, it delivers a jaw-dropping 1,200 horsepower, allowing it to tackle even the most challenging terrains with ease. The Venom LS features a lightweight aluminum chassis and a specialized suspension system that provides incredible ground clearance and flexibility, ensuring a smooth ride over rocks, mud, and sand. With its aggressive design, oversized tires, and advanced four-wheel drive capabilities, this beast can conquer steep inclines and rough landscapes effortlessly. Whether you're racing through the desert or navigating rugged trails, the Venom LS is built for thrill seekers looking to push the limits of off-road performance. The Atrina is one of the craziest off-road vehicles you'll ever come across, designed to tackle the most extreme terrains with ease. Equipped with a powerful engine, heavy-duty suspension, and massive tires, this beast can conquer everything from deep mud to rocky mountains. Its rugged exterior is built to withstand the harshest conditions, while the advanced four-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction and control. The Atrina also comes with adjustable ride height and a reinforced frame, making it nearly unstoppable in off-road adventures. Whether you're in the desert or the wilderness, the Atrina is built to go where other vehicles can't. The GenRight off-road vehicle is a beast built for extreme terrain and adventure. Equipped with a robust suspension system and high-clearance design, this vehicle handles rough trails, rocky paths, and steep inclines with ease. Powered by a high-performance engine, it delivers outstanding torque and horsepower, allowing for aggressive climbs and fast-paced off-roading. The GenRight also features custom-built axles, heavy-duty tires, and an advanced 4x4 drivetrain, ensuring it can conquer even the most challenging environments. With its rugged design and unbeatable durability, the GenRight is the ultimate vehicle for those who crave the thrill of off-road exploration. The KTM 1290 Super Adventure R is one of the craziest off-road vehicles out there, built for extreme terrains and wild adventures. Powered by a 1,301 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, it delivers an incredible 160 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful adventure bikes in its class. Its off-road capabilities are enhanced by long travel suspension, spoked wheels, and a rugged frame that can handle anything from sand dunes to rocky trails. Equipped with advanced rider aids like traction control, cornering ABS, and multiple ride modes, The Super Adventure R ensures maximum control and safety in challenging conditions. Whether you're conquering mountains or desert plains, this beast is ready for any adventure you throw at it. The Ripsaw EV2 is one of the craziest off-road vehicles ever made. Originally designed for military use, this high-speed super tank can conquer the toughest terrains with ease. Powered by a 600-horsepower diesel engine, it can reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest dual-tracked vehicles in the world. The Ripsaw EV2's luxurious interior features high-end leather seats and touchscreen controls, creating a blend of comfort and rugged capability. Its custom-built suspension system allows it to handle extreme conditions, from snow-covered mountains to muddy swamps. This ultimate off-road machine is perfect for those who crave adventure and want to take their off-road experience to the next level. The Alumicraft Sportsman 2 is one of the craziest off-road vehicles you'll ever see. Designed for extreme terrain, this vehicle is powered by a high-performance V8 engine, delivering immense power and torque to tackle any obstacle. Its lightweight aluminum frame and robust suspension system ensure that it can glide over rugged landscapes with ease. Equipped with massive off-road tires, it provides incredible traction and stability even in the toughest conditions. Whether you're racing across the desert or climbing steep hills, the Alumicraft Sportsman 2 is built to dominate the most challenging environments, making it a favorite among serious off-road enthusiasts. The KTM 1290 Super Adventure R is one of the craziest off-road vehicles out there, built for extreme terrains and wild adventures. Powered by a 1,301 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, it delivers an incredible 160 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful adventure bikes in its class. Its off-road capabilities are enhanced by long travel suspension, spoked wheels, and a rugged frame that can handle anything from sand dunes to rocky trails. Equipped with advanced rider aids like traction control, cornering ABS, and multiple ride modes, the Super Adventure R ensures maximum control and safety in challenging conditions. Whether you're conquering mountains or desert plains, this beast is ready for any adventure you throw at it. Thanks for joining us on this exhilarating ride. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Be sure to leave a comment below with your favorite vehicle, and check out our previous videos for more exciting content. Happy adventuring!